Hello friend, let me introduce myself. My name is Kelly. Today I want a tutorial on how to play Roblox games. The first step, don't forget to download the Roblox games. If so, enter the game. First, you create an account so you can play. If you already have an account, great. Just click like this. This is my avatar. Aku Vina 4421. If you don't have an account on Roblox, you have to log in first. If so, you can play whatever you want to play. This is my avatar. And here you can top up to buy nice clothes from Roblox. Oh yes, you have to use money to buy Robux. There is also a customization area here or a place for you to change your avatar. And there is a marketplace where you can shop to your heart's content or according to your clothing taste. In the Roblox game, you can also find your playing friends. This is my friends. If you don't find the game you want to play, you can click the search logo above. You click the three dots below, then click Settings. Finally, you click on Account Info and you can change your nickname. You can change your nickname after 1 week. I will try playing Tower of Hell. Here the rule is you cannot be hit by laser. If you are hit by a laser, you will die. To play, click on the example I show you. In the Tower of Hell, there is also a time. If the time is up, it will automatically change to a new tower and so on. Oh my god, I die. Every game on Roblox will have a leaderboard. Usually this is to see what level the person is. There are also emotes here that you can use. And there is storage for you to store something here. Okay, let's try again because this game easily makes me emotional. Be careful, guys. Okay, I give up. Oh yes, if you want to leave the game, click on the Roblox logo at the top. Then there it says leave. You click done, you will automatically leave the game. Now, what we play? Okay, now I want to play Ace Horror. In the game, you have to take 20 items and have to find the key to get out. If the ghost is chasing you, then you have to go into the room, so it can be cased. You also have to look for your ace so you can see where the ghost is. If he is near you, run away immediately. Okay, let's play. Time that has been provided. If you win, you will get points or level up. she's near me. Looks like I have to reset because I'm stuck here. I'm bored. Let's play speed draw. In the game, you have a drawing competition with your friends. All you have to do is drawing according to the theme that has been provided. If you win, you will get points or level up. It seems like this is the end of my tutorial on the playing Roblox game. I hope you understand. That is all and thank you. Bye bye.